We got another beautiful session today. Let's get started. Just kick the leg back, give it a tap. Let's get the body warm. 10 minutes, low impact, balance building, strength increasing session today. Let's go. Bring all your presence, all your skills today. We're going to build amazing core stability so that we avoid slips and falls, prevent injury. We know why we want to be here. The doing it becomes a lot easier. We'll build some cardiovascular endurance as we move quickly through each exercise. Maybe we can have some fun along the way. We'll get the endorphins flowing, have a laugh. I assure you that in some of these balance exercises, I will fall. If you fall, no problem. Pick yourself back up and let's go again. Give it just a bit more of a twist. Get that back nice and warm. All right. Bounce, 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 bounce. Let's go. You're going to reach down, opposite foot. This looks differently for each of us. Slow is lovely. Just do what works best for you. If you can get all the way down, happy days. If you can get this far down, it's brilliant. Engage your core with each exercise when we're building balance. Everything comes from our core. That's why we want to have stability. So it supports every movement that we take. Yes. A couple more. Ooh, can you feel it? Shake those hips out. Ready? Lateral step, lift the knee. You hold it for as long as you like. You're going to build mobility in our hips by getting that knee up nice and high. Really broad lateral step. Build flexibility in the groin. And clearly as we stand, balance. You can always bring the arms up, have them out. Whatever suits you. Particularly when we're doing balance exercises, to bring that ultimate presence. Be here now. So focused, so intentional. Our balance is just so much better. And again, if you stumble, if you fall, you just get back up. A couple more. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. If you fall, just lean towards where we're going. There's the falls. Oh, okay. We're coming to a chair posture. Great yoga move. Just sit back down into your chair. Engage your core to build real stability, a real solid base. We lift the arms up. Great. Let's just hold that for a moment. Just sit down in your chair. See if, keep your back up as straight as possible. I'm way further over this than I would like in time. Get it back. 3, 2, 1, and up. We're just building some leg strength there. Shake that out. Some nice gentle arm circles. We're going to side leg. Just kick the leg out and back down with the arm circles. Just find a little rhythm. Let's go other side. You hold that for as long as you like. Go backwards with the arms. Get in the body, brain connection. One more. Okay. Ooh, shake that out. Brilliant. Did you fall? Again, it's about getting back up. Oh, okay. We have some space to walk. Heel to toe. Really mindful walking. But with a shoulder roll. So take a step really mindfully and roll the shoulders back. And then just reverse. Heel to toe, roll the shoulder back. Heel to toe. How present you must be with each step. Go back again. Give it so much attention. You're building incredible balance. And back one more time. Oh, yeah, that's what I want. Head up. Excuse me. Head up. Just know where you are. Heel to toe, shoulders back. Let's go one more time. Just looking straight ahead. Don't look down. Feel heel to toe. Roll the shoulders back. And one more, heel to toe. Whew. Brilliant. Let's work on some ankle mobility and balance. So come up into a calf raise and then come up, shoulders back. Up, shoulders back. Balance and upper back mobility. We can combine a few things. Just nice and easy. And again, if you stumble, no problem. I had some bike riding this weekend with my littlest one. Into the woods, trying some new trails on the new bike. And we get a few falls, a few tears. But it was not how often we fall, but how often we get up. It's amazing the lessons we learn as kids still apply. Falling doesn't matter. It's just getting up. How many times can you get back up? Come on up. Maybe rise a little bit higher. Really feel it in the calf muscle. Oh, come on. There we go. And yes, have a laugh if you stumble. Up. Up. Reach it back. One more. Really mindfully. Just be here. Hold it up there. Balls of your feet. Get up there. Get up there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Reach back and fall down. The fall down part, that was just my added bonus. Shake that out. Okay. Balance. We need good core stability. We're going to do a side bend, but bring up the opposite leg. So you can't maybe reach down a little bit further. Just do a few to one side. Leg comes up. Gauge your core. Reach it down. Let's go other side. Leg up. Reach it down. Ooh. I'm going to try to come to the floor this time. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Whoop. Catch yourself if you stumble. No problem. Reach it down. This is great for the lower back. Mobility in the hip as we come up. And clearly, We are building balance with each move. And one more. Yes. Happy days. Well done. Again. Last move, real presence, real mindful movement. Come into tree posture. If your toe needs to touch the ground, that's fine, wherever you're at. And just hold this just for a moment and just be. Prayer posture if you like. Have the arms up. You decide. Just take a moment right here. Bring all your presence into this moment. Just hold it. Let's go other side. If you stumble, no problem. What happens when you're just so focused right here, right now? Just paying attention to the bottom of your foot, keeping that balance. Not worrying about what you're going to have for dinner tonight. Just be here now. Shake that out. We did it again. Well done. We have superhuman balance now. Don't forget to comment. Job done. Give the video a like. It really does help push the video out to more people just like you so we can grow this community. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow.